Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. For today's topic, I'll be showing you how to buy Binance USD or simply BUSD coin. Let's start by launching a browser app on your mobile. Then search for the Binance USD contract address. Now here, choose the CoinMarketCap website. And once you're in the website, look for contracts and tap the More button beside it. Beside the Ethereum, tap the Copy button. And now it will be copied to your clipboard. After that, you can now open your Trust Wallet app. Tap the Buy button above and choose ETH or the Ethereum coin. Now, choose what provider you want and simply tap the Buy button below. Then it will go to another tab. Simply fill it up and choose what will be your payment method. When you're done with that, go back to your Trust Wallet app. Then tap the Browser button below. Search for Uniswap. And then simply launch the app. Next thing to do is to connect your wallet by tapping the Connect button located at the top right and choose Trust Wallet. Note that you must be in Ethereum network. After that, tap the Select token. Now, search for the BUSD token and confirm that. Then input the amount that you want to buy and tap the Swap button below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.